Here's a 2015 BMW X5. When it's up to you, you get the most space, finest luxury, and best view. Take charge of the road in this X5. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror, BMW online full-service internet access, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, intercooled turbo i6 engine, power tilting steering column, My BMW remote, external memory control, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Contact Jim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.